Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix Instagram story music not available. First you need to open the Instagram and we can go to add our story. For example this, and I can find music and I can see the list of the music here. If you cannot see this list, you can go to your setting Instagram, click on the three lines on the top right corner, and here find the setting and privacy. Then scroll down and click on the edit profile, and then if you here have the professional account, switch to the personal account and then click on the check mark on the top right corner. If it don't work, go to the setting of Instagram, click on the icon and hold, then click on the app info. Here you can clear data and click on the clear cache. If it don't work too, go to the Google Play Store and using the search bar find the Instagram, and here find the button open, but you can have here the button update. Click on this button update and then go to the Instagram and you can use some music on your story. This is all for today. Goodbye.